back to my channel. My name is Yasana, and if you're new, then welcome. Today I have a hair review. That's right, a hair review on this closure bob. Yes, sis, this is a closure, and I am living, okay? So first off, Nadula Amazon. So Amazon Nadula Hair or Nadula Amazon Hair, they reached out to me to do a video, and all my pans are my own. This is their straight hair, and I got 8, 10, 12, and a 10-inch closure. I knew I wanted a bob, so I was like, why not order short hair? Like, there's no point of ordering long hair, of course. So I put the 10-inch on the bottom and the 12-inch on top, and then a 10-inch closure. So that's why right here it's falling a little weird, but it's not as bad. Like, it really fell together. And it also came with these lashes, and they're not bad if you ask me. I don't wear lashes, but they don't look too bad. To go over shipping, the shipping took like 3 days max, maybe even 2. I ordered it in like the midday, maybe like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock at night. And then by the time I woke up for the next morning, around like 8 or 9 a.m., it was already saying like your shipment is being shipped out. And I was like, wow. The communication is very good. That's always like something you want to look out for if you have a problem, or you know. This hair was super affordable too. It was like $103 altogether for 3 bundles and a closure, so that is super affordable. I never ordered hair off Amazon, like never. I did AliExpress before, but Amazon, like, I was like, Amazon. Yeah, the hair is like super soft. No shedding even after I cut the hair. Like, if you could see, just look at that flowing. Yes, that's what we look for when we want a bob, okay? No stiffness. Stiff wear, okay? Well, at first I bleached the knots. I will try to put in like a little bit of clips inside. It's looking like scalp, okay? Then I just put a little powder on top and underneath. I used a wig cap, the spandex one. I just started sewing on my closure and then the bundles. And to be ordering hair off Amazon is looking lovely. And I'm like shook, because the reason I say I'm shook, because your girl never made a closure wig, okay? Like, I made like U-part wig, redid like plucked the closure wig, but I never made a closure wig, and I am honestly so proud of myself. It looks bomb. This hair, it gave me like no problems when I was making my wig. I did the flip over method, and at the top I did cut, so even though I cut it at the top, like, I'm getting no shedding at all. So maybe I'll do an update video, or even just update you guys in the description. But I'm loving this hair. This is the 8-inch bundle. I'll show you guys because I didn't use it. I used 2 bundles. I had like 2 tracks left. I could have squeezed it in there, but I ain't need it. And then the bundles, the wefts are super thick. This is the natural hair color. So if you could see, it's a little different because I did dye my hair blue black. 1B was not cutting it, even though I watercolored it and I did cut some of the bundles. The hair is still amazing. The dye took well, and it's still like soft. It didn't get all hard, and you guys know what I'm talking about. If you dye your hair, it could just like go all the way wrong. It did wave up a little bit like after drying, but as soon as I straightened it, it went right back to being straight. So this hair, I give this hair a thumbs up so far. So the only con that I could think of in this bundle is it came with a 10-inch closure. Like, if it came with at least a 12, it would have, you know, been good. But I mean, that's not really like a huge issue. But so for the pros, the hair is super soft. The color took well. The closure was nice and flat. It wasn't too bulky. I still can pluck some, I think, you know, just to thin it out a little bit, but it wasn't bad at all. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye my loves.